Governor Kahiga in danger now.
Let me read a statement which I have here concerning the happenings in the country in regards to the recent remarks of Honorable Kahiga, the Governor of Nyeri. We have noted Governor Kahiga's recent apology and resignation. However, these actions alone are insufficient to undo the deep harm caused by his disgressive remarks celebrating the death of Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Words of such hatred and disrespect carry serious consequences and must be met with full accountability. Therefore, I reiterate the demand for immediate arrest and prosecution of Governor Kahiga. His public incitement of hatred is not a matter of political disagreement, but a criminal offense that undermines national unity and peace. No leader is above law, regardless of apologies. The true rule of law must prevail to deter others from similar acts of division and hatred. We call on law enforcement agencies and the judiciary to act swiftly and transparently. Only through such firm actions can we honor Raila Amolo Odinga legacy and protect our nation cohesion. Thank you. God bless you.
I told you, hii mambo yenye Governor Kahiga ameweza kuzungumza, you may see that ni mambo tu kidogo kidogo tu. Yani ni mambo yenye alikuwa anazungumza tu. Lakini inaweza ikamweka papaya mahali hakutarajia. Na hata hivyo, si hata inaweza ikamweka. Already, those statements ambazo waliweza kuongea ndizo zimemfanya mpaka ameresign. Already, ameresign. But sasa hivi, ODM, through the ODM party leader, msaidizi, Simbarati, ameweza kusema msamaha kuomba pamoja na kuresign is not enough. It is not enough. Huyo mtu ni akamatwe with an immediate effect, kwa sababu amefanya vibaya mno. Ametishia watu. You know, mimi nilikwambia tu, wanasiasa wanapozungumza na kujibisana mambo yao, let them do their own things. Kama wananchi, let's try to be united. Na nikawa nimekwambia, haya mazungumzo ya Governor Kahiga imeweza kupeleka to a point some people, tukijaribu kuangalia kwa undani, it's as if even Gachagua ako in for that. Hilo ambalo Governor Kahiga analizungumza, hata Gachagua ako naro. It is true. There are some people who are celebrating, who are happy because of the death of Raila Amolo Odinga. Because wengi waliona wakati alikuwa Raila Amolo Odinga amejoin hand na Ruto, they thought all the ile maendeleo ambayo Ruto alikuwa afanye ameyapeleka Nyanza. So that is where there was the conflict. Watu wakawa wanakuasana hapo. Wengine mpaka wakasema they are now happy kwa sababu amekufa. So ile maendeleo yenye maybe ilikuwa iende somewhere within the country, lakini sasa ilikuwa iende Nyanza, haitaenda huko. Hii mambo nilikwambia si mchezo hivyo. But what I'm wondering, will they manage kumarrest Governor Kahiga? Na wakimarrest, watampeleka kotini. Nani atakuwa na evidence ya kuwa kweli aliyazungumza na alifanya hayo yote? Unajua hii inanikumbusha ile kesi yenye alikuwa anaenda kukesi nani? Huyu jamaa wa baba anaitwa namna gani? Huyu mwenye alikuwa analia mpaka akafaint juzi. Tati kesi yenye alipelekwa kotini na yule msichana wa Kijaruo mwenye alikuwa na dance akiwa amevalia kabandi. Yeye akazungumza tu kwa mtandao. Lakini ukifuatilia kesi hii, ile kesi ilienda. Hata hii ikifunguliwa mashtaka, bado utaambiwa hakuna evidence ya kuonyesha ya hayo mambo, na hiyo itakuwa imeisha. So we are waiting. Ngojea tu hapa ndani ya hii YouTube channel. I will bring all the details ya kile ambacho kinaendelea. Lakini ngojea tu, sikiliza huyu naye usikie maoni yake towards yale mazungumzo ya Gavana Kahiga.
This in essence were constitutional violations, and a mere apology may not be enough. The Council of Governors has acted promptly, but in my view, a mere resignation from the post of chairman, the vice chairman of the Council of Governors is insufficient, and I hope that this will not be the end of the matter. Far serious steps must still be taken.
Whoever, the former governor or anybody else, the governor or whoever else speaks ill that way is speaking on his own behalf. I've represented the Nyeri people as a member of parliament. I've represented the Nyeri people as a senator in the Nyeri county, and I know the feelings of the Nyeri people. And we are mourning with the rest of Kenya. I am personally mourning. The late Honorable Raila Odinga was a personal friend of mine and a personal friend of very many people within the county of Nyeri. And what I can tell you for a fact is that the words that if you speak ill, it is culturally repugnant, and in our culture. And if I speak as a Kenyan who happens to be a Mugikuyu, a Kenyan who happens to be a Mugikuyu, I can tell you that culturally it is repugnant for you to speak ill of people who have passed on. And as a matter of fact, if you do so, there are certain rights that you need to undertake in order to avoid curses that may befall on you. So when a person speaks on his own behalf, that has nothing to do with the rest of the community. The second thing to say is that as leaders, we must always be careful about what we say. And what we say is important. Politically, those kind of statements are retrogressive. And it is not in anybody's interest for you to make those kind of statements that can obviously bring divisive aspects, especially in times like these ones. I think as a human being, it is insensitive. It's insensitive to make certain remarks that can hurt people.
Thank you very much, fellow Kenyans. I want to take this moment to address issues that have emanated from a vernacular clip that is circulating in social media. From the very onset, I want to sincerely apologize to our mourning nation, to the family of the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, Mama Ida, her children Rosemary Jr. and Winnie, Honorable Senator Oburu Odinga and Honorable MP Ruth Odinga, and other siblings and their larger extended family, the ODM fraternity, and the Luo nation and Kenyans at large. And to my colleague leaders from all sides of the political divide for any harm that it has elicited. The clip was taken while attending a burial in my home village, and my remarks were in no way celebratory. What I meant is that under the current broad-based government, we have seen skewed development and politically the loss of the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Odinga sent everyone back to the drawing board. As the popular saying goes, God takes the best, and it is in this context that I made those remarks in vernacular. Let me also make it clear that the remarks I made are my personal views and therefore should in no way be associated with the community's position or any political affiliation, nor the Council of Governors. Finally, in noting the huge public interest that this issue has generated, I am taking responsibility of the real and perceived meaning of my remarks And as a result, therefore, I have decided that with immediate effect, I am going to step down as the Vice Chair of the Council of Governors. And as I do that, I also pray that the soul of the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga continue resting in eternal peace. God bless Kenya. Thank you very much. How do you say that?